डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आपको मालूम है टॉपिक चलता है ट्रायंगल्स, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 7.4 और क्वेश्चन नंबर भी 4 है। क्वेश्चन है ए बी एंड सी डी आर द स्मॉलेस्ट एंड लॉन्गेस्ट साइड्स। स्मॉलेस्ट एंड लॉन्गेस्ट साइड्स AB and CD are the smallest and longest sides of the coordinate ABC. Given says coordinate ABCD, AB is lockout, the CD is bold. So to prove coordinate angle A is greater than angle CS, and angle B is greater than angle DS. Which is to prove coordinate. Construction join chorus AC. क्या पर join करो AC. The proof in triangle, I mean is a triangle. आप बनो ABC, ये बनो ACD. What was triangle ABC? In triangle ABC, AB is the smallest side. AB चु यक मज़ लॉक क्या चु? AB चु ये triangle मज़ लॉक. Look therefore AB smallest and मतलब AB चु less than लॉक टाइम को BC को. Which implies and मतलब BC चु तेरे board टाइम को BC चु board टाइम को. BC is greater than AB. Tell to BC board can call AB. BC is opposite angle 1. AB is opposite angle 2. And the opposite is both side as board angle as an opposite. And BC is opposite angle 1. When angle 1 is greater than angle 2, equation first. Why angle opposite to larger side, angle opposite to larger side, angle opposite to larger side is greater. Suchasan board. तो ये इक्वेशन फर्स्ट। इसके बाद इन ट्रायंगल को ब्याक ट्रायंगल छु ACD, इन ट्रायंगल ACD हाँ CD is the longest side. CD is the longest side. CD is the longest side. CD is board side. I am CD is greater than AD. CD is board. AD code. Therefore, CD is opposite angle. Ye angle. It will now angle 3. Angle 3 is greater than. Opposite angle 4. Angle 3 is greater than angle 4. Equation second. Angle opposite to larger side is greater. Adding. अब हम इनको adding करेंगे. Adding first and second. We get adding first and second. We get first angle for angle 1 plus angle 3 is greater than angle 2 plus angle 4. Angle 2 plus angle 4. Angle 2 plus angle 4. Angle 1 plus 3. Angle 1 plus 3 go angle A. Greater than angle 2 plus angle 4 go angle C. Angle C. So angle A is greater than angle C. Similarly, angle B जो इथे पर greater than angle D. Guys, तम साथ join करूँ क्या? B थी D. ये BD join करूँ. योर तो बनो half triangle तो योर तो बनो half triangle. तुम इसे triangle चुनिए. Then angle B is greater than angle D. Question number 5. Given PR greater than PQ and PS bisects QPR. फिगर दी गई है. PS जो bisect करें QPR को ये bisect करो. मतलब this angle is equal to this. That means angle 1 is equal to angle 2. To prove PSR, angle PSR is greater than angle PSQ. Proof में हम लिखेंगे सबसे पहले हाँ PS bisects. मैं लिखूंगा डायरेक्ट angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Equation first. Because PS bisects angle QPR. Angle 1 के बराबर angle 2 इसका इक्वल bisect कर रहे हैं. इसके बाद by exterior angle था. By exterior Biexterior angle theorem of triangle. अगर ये नेबरिम एंगल ये एक्सटीरियर ट्रायंगल PQS PQS एक्सटीरियर एंगल PS तो R वह मतलब एंगल PSR बराबर ये एंगल इज अपोजिट इक्वल साइड्स and exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angle को ये एंगल प्लस ये एंगल यह एंगल छु नाम एंगल PQ काले PQS छु ठीक तो PQR छु ठीक अत PQR इज अवश्य लिखन PQR which is plus angle 1 ये गई इक्वेशन सेकंड इथे पर छु योडक एंगल ये एंगल छु एक्सटीरियर एंगल का ट्रायंगल PRS ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल गो एंड इंटीरियर एंगल छु ये तम मतलब गो एंगल PSQ छु बराबर यानी कि ये नेबरिम एंगल छु बराबर ये एंगल प्लस ये एंगल PRS भी लिख सकते हैं PRQ भी आप लिख सकते हैं एंगल PRQ प्लस एंगल 2 इस हको लिखित एंगल PSQ is equal to PRQ plus angle 1 equation second why because angle 2 is equal to angle 1 इस प्रैक्टिकल में एंगल 2 बराबर एंगल 1 मेरे ख्याल में ये आप समझ आए होंगे इसका एक्सटीरियर एंगल थ्योरम यूज इनके बाद इन ट्रायंगल हमें गिवन जो दिया गया है बट PR is greater than PQ PR छु बोर्ड कम खोत PQ छु गिवन ओल्ड is this या सो छु ये खोत बोर्ड PR is greater than PQ PR गो ये छु बोर्ड या ट्रायंगल बस का मतलब PQR बस ऐसे जो पैकेट इन ट्रायंगल PQR PR greater than PQ को ये PR को बोर्ड कुछ अपोजिट एंगल छु Q means एंगल PQR को therefore angle PQR is greater than PQ कुछ अपोजिट साइड PQ अपोजिट एंगल PRQ को एंगल PRQ ये गई इक्वेशन थर्ड why आपको लिखना एंगल opposite to larger side is greater suggestion board from second second third and fourth from second third and fourth we get another thing PRH बराबर एंगल Q प्लस 1 तो PSQ बराबर एंगल R प्लस एंगल 1 तो 1 पान में बराबर वन छु एंगल Q छ बोर्ड के एंगल R कुछ बोर्ड एंगल Q छु बोर्ड ये एंगल Q गो बोर्ड तन गो एंगल PSR छु बोर्ड कैन को एंगल PSQ को बेकलेट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट सेकंड टू फर्स्ट छु ये PSR बराबर PQR प्लस एंगल 1 तो PSQ बराबर PRQ पर एंगल 1 तो एंगल 1 पान बराबर ये एंगल Q तो ये एंगल R कुछ छु बोर्ड एंगल Q छु बोर्ड एंगल R को एंगल Q छु यह मत सुकुस एंगल PRS that means angle PSR is greater than PSQ hence proved इसी के साथ ये क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हुआ है Question number 6 है show that all line segments drawn from a given point not on it the perpendicular line segment is the shortest इसका मतलब है take a line हमने line L ली है and a point P not on it point P न्यू ना आप पर कैसे न्यू पैच में ते PM perpendicular L aspect अच्छु वन PM छा question छु PM the line is the shortest side. It is sorry for local side. Go here point, but you get point as you a line L and a point P not on it. P new line but P is perpendicular L square. And take a point N as the point N is an other than P को allow. One अगर ऐसी join को as को join PN क्या को join PN ये सब line या पर ऐसे निमो point निमो आज तुम सारी मंचा PM सारी को shortest distance to prove just called PM is less than PN इस तुम बन आपके line segment इसके लिए निमो इसको आपके line अगर यहाँ पर ग्राफ निमो ऐसे आपके line segment PN क्या नहीं वो as though PM can give lockout kind code PN code. PN is less than proof. In right triangle PM to N. Right angular at M. M is equal to 90. So by angle M plus angle P plus angle N. 180 by angle sum property of a triangle. By angle sum property, angle M is perpendicular to position 90. Position 90 plus angle P plus angle N is equal to 180. So by angle P plus angle N is equal to 180 minus 90. So by angle P plus angle N is equal to 90. I mean, मतलब go P to lockout can code P plus N to 90 M to kunu is on 90 M to kunu I mean मतलब go N is greater than N and M is also greater than P. So angle M is greater than angle M is greater than angle N. Also angle M is greater than angle M is greater than angle P. Char angle M to board. Yet angle M to board. Kya chu board? Asko opposite PM. That means PN, which implies therefore PN is greater than. And as kuch opposite PM. Also angle M as kuch opposite side PN. So PN is greater than angle P as kuch opposite. वो M to N right no मतलब go which implies go PM should lock PM is less than PN also PM also PM PN M should PN should greater than PM. So you have to angle M is to opposite PN. So PN is greater than MN. So I will go M PN to wait. PN to greater than PMs. PN to greater than PMs. Wait to PN to greater than MMs. PN to greater than MMs. So I will go PM to less than PM to less than PNs yet to PN to less than PM angle M is opposite PN. PN is greater than PN. Go PM. Sorry, PN is greater than. Go PM to less than. PN is also PN. Angle M is to opposite PN. Angle M to board angle NS. The angle M to board angle P होती. ठीक है? Angle M is to opposite PN. वो PN is greater than N is to opposite PM. ठीक है? देखो angle M to greater than angle PS. देखो angle M opposite side to PN PM to angle PH opposite. Angle PH opposite close. MN. Go just less than. Go achieve the hands go that means PN is greater than PM also. And matlab go which it happens all line segments. It happens all line. Therefore, I say one PM must be less than PN code. At one yen point pet is such a line with travels. Yen point pet is such a line with travel. PM shortest distance. I throw yak line, yidra yagra lock to yagra board. Is it a line in Nemo that needs PM is less than PM? It is draw PM is greater than PM is greater than PM. Also, PM is less than PM. Oh, last में question. All line segments drawn from the given point. All line segments. All line segments. All line segments drawn. All line segments drawn from a given point. 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 Given point not on it. Given point. Drawn from a given point not on it. The perpendicular given point not on it. Not on it. Not on it. All lines segments drawn from a given point. Given point. The perpendicular line segment. The perpendicular line segment. The perpendicular line segment is the shortest. Let's go थोड़ा confused. You could be angle P plus angle N to बराबर 90. ताकि मतलब angle M to board N code. M to board N code. M to opposite PN or PN to board PM code. PN to board PM. I मतलब PM to lock code. PM to lock code. That means shortest. This is the line here per nimo PM to shortest. All line segments drawn from a given point. Perpendicular line is the shortest.